friends, welcome to Shivani tutorial. Let me show you a hairstyle with the help of handkerchief. Comb your hair and tie them with a rubber band. Make sure you tie them tightly and make a perfect pony. Now take a handkerchief and roll your hair in it. Simply roll your hair in handkerchief and carefully tie the handkerchief on rubber band. Now take the edges of the hair and merge them together with the help of hairpin. Make sure there are no open hair on the sides and all are secured with hairpin. Finish the bun look with the fancy hair clip. See how easily you can style your hair with a handkerchief. I will show you a Bollywood style hair bun. First of all, comb your hair and make sure that your hair are not frizzy. Tie your hair with a rubber band and make a ponytail. Not high one but little higher from your neck back. Divide your hair into two portions. Now, out of one portion, take some hair and start making braid from here. Here we have a twist. Gently take few hair from this portion and add them into the side of your braid. As you can see that I am making braid also adding loose hairs. Once it is done, finish this with a very thin black color rubber band. Do the same thing with another portion. Now take both the braids and make braid till the end of your hair. Gently roll this braid inward side and tuck the edges into the ponytail rubber band. Carefully pick both the braids from their sides and tuck them on the center of the ponytail with the help of a hair clip. Make sure that the braids are properly tucked. As you can see how beautiful and stylish our bun is looking. So friends, don't forget to try this stylish hair bun and click the pictures and send it to me in comment box. I am going to share the method of a very beautiful hair bun. Comb your hair and do a center partition and leave some hairs from the left and right side. Comb the remaining hair and tie them together with the help of a rubber band. Make sure you tie them tightly and make a perfect pony. Once again, comb the loose hair. Now make a braid of this loose hair till end and roll the end portion of the braid and tie it with the help of a thin black rubber band. Roll this braid around the rubber band with the help of Juda pins and make a fine Juda. Tuck the Juda properly with Juda pins so that it doesn't open. Now take the loosened hair from the right side and comb them well. Make a braid from these hair. Once the braid is almost completed, pull the hair from the braid. Start rolling the loosened braid around the Juda and tuck it with the help of Juda pin. Repeat the same process for the loosened hair on the left side and comb them well. Make a braid from these hairs. Once the braid is almost completed, pull the hair from the braid. Roll the loosened braid around the Juda and tuck it with the help of Juda pins. Pull the hair from the main Juda to give volume to your hairstyle. To beautify the Juda, I am using some fancy hair pins like silver flowers, pearls, etc. So here we have our very beautiful and easy to make hairstyle ready in just 4 minutes. I am sure you will definitely try this hairstyle. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.